Hi, what's up fellas, it's Mechanic Mode, a new video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I'll show you quick how to replace right upper engine mount on 2013, 14 up to 18, 18 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this probably particular engine is also fits on 2011 and 12, I believe, maybe 10, I don't know. But if you have a 3.6 heavy engine like that, then you definitely have a engine mount like that. So what I did, the car failed the safety inspection because the engine mount is bad, right? I bought one from CarQuest. Let's go step by step and show you how to remove the mount. So first of all, you gotta prepare a jack, or you can do it on the lift, but you'll need a stand to hold your engine. I decided to go quick, and I took a jack, I put it under the engine. You want to put a piece of wood or something, and basically you gotta support it by something hard, like a aluminum block or something. Don't put it straight on your wheel pan, you might bend it, just letting you know. Next, what you want to do is to remove the engine cover, the vacuum pipe that goes from here all the way into the intake box. You're gonna get the intake box out, and you're gonna get the tunnel too. There's a sensor on it. You're gonna remove the airflow sensor from the intake box. And then what you have to do is you're going to have these two small nuts on 13 millimeter. You remove them, and then you'll have a thing like that, right? Goes like here, just like this. Yeah. And then you have 3 bolts on 16 millimeter, like this. 1, 2, 3. You remove these 2 on 13. You remove these 3 on 16. This comes out, and then you have a ground wire that's going right straight on the goes on the mount. So make sure you remove that properly, nice, and don't rip it off. So make sure when you take this bracket off from the mount and engine, make sure your jack is supporting the engine, because once you remove them, you start unscrewing these bolts, the engine will drop. Make sure again you put the jack right. After you remove the bracket and the engine is supported right, you have 2 left bolts right here on 16 millimeter. You unscrew them, and the mount comes out. Like I said, right here, this is the old mount, and it fell because it's old and bad. The car has 112,000 miles. So yeah, let's put everything back together, and this is it. I'm done. The engine mount is good to go. I got the mount installed. I completely forgot, you guys also have to remove this small tank from the power steering fluid. Has a 13 millimeter, and it's placed on the intake box. So yeah, it's just a small nut. It's not a big deal, but you gotta take it off because you have to take the whole box out. It's completely easy and fast. So yeah, let me show you a last picture. Let me show you the last picture how the engine mount looks like, right? We got the 2 bolts here. They're completely screwed in, tight. We have 3 another 16 millimeter here tied up, and the 2 small 13 millimeter. We got the negative wire installed properly back together, and this is it. Now I have left to put all back together, like the intake box covers, the small power steering fluid tank, and the connector. Alright guys, so here we go. Intake box, the vacuum hose, power steering fluid tank, sensor is right there, the intake box all the way to the throttle body installed, engine cover is installed, everything goes right, everything is installed properly, and all the way there is the engine mount. And this is it. Easy fix, easy go. That was Mechanic Mode. Easy fix on this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Don't forget about thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.